I was heading down on 65, cruising down that old grapevine. I must have been doing at least about 95. Well, out on the side of the road, all broke down. And who do you think was standing around but the greatest country singer alive? Well, I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Those kids just sweet country picking fingers, all covered with Earl. 'Cause you're a honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. And I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Heard you had an adventurous youth, making love in the telephone booth, and I hear you even did a little stretch in jail. Well, now you got a big ranch house at the bar, and 8, 9, 10 of them fancy cars, and every other week a check coming in the mail. Well, I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't you get your sweet country picking fingers all covered with Earl. 'Cause you're a honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. And I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. We heard all them songs you did, making fun of us long-haired kids, and now you know we don't care what you think. Merle, if you're gonna call the world your home, you know you're gonna have to get out and get stoned. It's better with a joint than with a drink, I think. Oh, I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't you get your sweet country picking fingers all covered with Earl. 'Cause you're a honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. And I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't you get your sweet country picking fingers all covered with Earl. 'Cause you're a honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. And I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Well, I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Thank you.